What's up, everybody? Welcome to Electric Buddha. If you're a rideshare driver looking into rideshare, a couple big things just happened. Lyft just sent me a message that they have a $2,100 sign-on bonus for new and returning drivers. And Uber also has a similar thing going on, $1,540 sign-on bonus for new and returning drivers. That's in the Austin area. It's, it could be more than that, less than that, but it seems like the bonuses are really big. I got the promo codes in the description. And also like and follow my videos. I'm a professional trader, and I got some videos about how I made $14,500 in one day trading the NASDAQ while I was driving Lyft. I was driving Lyft when I was doing that. And I got a video about how I made around $3,000 last night. I'm going to shoot that video right after this one. But my content's about making the quantum leap from, side hustle kind of stuff to where you don't have to work anymore. That's what I'm about. And I also want to throw this out there. If you guys are looking to get into trading crypto, all that kind of stuff, here's an exchange. It's called Bing, and Bing is really, really cool. If you want to trade, they have every kind of crypto market. They also have indexes, all kinds of stuff, but they also have what's called copy trading. It's right here. And copy trading is where you can get other traders to trade your currency for you. This guy did 11, almost 12x in 1 month, 1,174%. This guy did 1,086%. It's over 10x. This guy 912%. In 1 month. That's about 9x. So if you want to get into trading, these are copy traders. You click the copy button and they will trade, and your account will mimic their trades, and then you pay them a small fee for that. That's a good residual income kind of situation. And then if you want to trade as well, this exchange is very good for trading. So get into it. And that's what I do. I do rideshare kind of stuff if I need some money, and then I trade, and I haven't really had to do too much of the rideshare stuff for the last 4 years. So Electric Buddha. Good luck out there, everybody. Links in the description. Take care. Bye.